everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Komal and this is my channel K Lifestyle, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe option so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now let's talk about today's video. So today's video is going to be very exciting as I'm going to announce my first ever giveaway in the last. So please keep on watching in full video to know what are the rules and which products I'm going to give. And now let's move into our video. So as from the title you must be aware that ये वीडियो होने वाला है about one makeup brand only जिससे मैंने ये लुक क्रिएट किया है. So अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि मैंने क्या प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं, प्लीज़ सब पूरा वीडियो देखना and do like, comment and share. Guys, here's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And now let's move into our giveaway part. So if you are following me on my Instagram, you must know that I have posted about my giveaway yesterday only. And if you are not following me yet, so I will be linking my page link and also my username somewhere in the screen here, so make sure to check that out. Also I will be showing what products I am giving, because काफ़ी लोग हैं जो इंस्टाग्राम पे मुझे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं या वो इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं हैं. सो हाँ, ये गिव अवे यूट्यूब के लिए नहीं है, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू स्प्रेड द वर्ड. So let me show you one by one, and yes, there are 10 products but only one winner this time. So let me show you the products. A huge packet, and these are the goodies inside. Let me show you one by one. So the first one is Everteen Skin Thin Premium Sanitary Pads. Second is Ikai Beauty Face Scrub, and then we have Sunguard Aloe Vera Gel from Indus Valley. I have used this. इसमें मोस्टली प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने पर्सनली यूज़ किए हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी आपको दे रही हूँ, मैंने यूज़ करे हुए हैं इसमें से एटलीस्ट 5 to 6 प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड देन वी हैव सेंट बोटानिक यूकलिप्टस टी ट्री शैम्पू. Then there's a Indian homemade brand over Instagram named Lakshmi Krishna Natural, and this is their regrowth hair oil. Then we have again aloe vera gel from Urban Botanic. Then a face serum from Kazima Cosmetics. And then face cream from Aranya brand. Then a BB cream from Garnier. And last two products are, these are 2 lipsticks from the brand ADS or ads, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then the last one is I have a lip balm from brand Rivona Naturals. So yes, that's all the products, and please participate. I would love to know you. I would love to see that people are participating, so please participate. And if you do like this video, please make sure to share, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.